How to fix no signal issue in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.